I'm Alexandria, and you're probably wondering how I got myself in this situation. Just kidding. Today I'll be showcasing my React portfolio project that I built during my Nucamp Bootcamp. This portfolio was created using React, Bootstrap, Sass, and other libraries with a focus on dynamic content rendering and responsive design. Let me walk you through the key features of my portfolio. Starting with the home section, I've implemented a clean white background with decorative coding style elements. Notice how the text styling mimics actual code with line numbers and syntax highlighting. When you hover over my name, you'll even see a custom font transition effect. The navigation is positioned along the side, featuring smooth scrolling to each section. What makes this special is the active state animation that highlights your current position, whether you clicked the link or you scrolled naturally. In the About section, I've incorporated eye-catching animations for the skills display using React Spring. The layout is fully responsive. For instance, on mobile devices, I've used Bootstrap's order utilities to prioritize the About Me content above the skills display. The project section showcases my work with some interesting features. The categories are generated dynamically based on the project data, and the layout intelligently adjusts to maintain a clean grid regardless of filtering. Each project can specify its preferred size, and the layout algorithm ensures efficient space usage. For the featured project display, I implemented a randomization system that selectively displays featured projects. This keeps the portfolio feeling fresh with each visit while highlighting my best work. The content form is implemented as a modal, providing a clean user experience without leaving the current view. Finally, the blog section uses a weighted randomization system to display content, ensuring important posts get higher visibility while maintaining variety. All of this sits on top of a decorative background that features code snippets in a complementary color scheme, tying the whole design together. Let's take a quick deep dive into one of my favorite sections. The project splice.js file handles all our project data management. The key functions include selecting all projects in reverse chronological order, filtering by category, and handling featured projects. I particularly like the random selection logic for featured projects, which adds variety to the portfolio's presentation. Next, the project list.js file is where the magic happens with our dynamic layout. First, we automatically generate category buttons from the existing project data. Then, the calculate layout function ensures projects fill available space efficiently. It tracks the row width and adjusts project sizes to maintain a clean grid layout. This prevents awkward gaps when filtering between categories. And in the project card.js file, the project card component handles individual project displays with a clean, responsive design. It dynamically adjusts column sizes based on the space allocated by the project's list and includes conditional rendering for the live demo button and the GitHub button. The styling ensures consistent image sizes and spacing regardless of the content. The biggest challenge I faced was implementing the dynamic project grid layout. I needed to ensure projects could have a different size while maintaining a clean grid without gaps. I solved this by implementing a layout calculation algorithm that tracks the row width, adjusting column sizes based on available spaces, and creating dynamic category filtering that maintains the layout integrity. To be able to implement this, I often had to do additional research into outside resources such as MDM Web Docs and Stack Overflow, and sometimes I even consulted a chatbot. This project helped me deepen my understanding of React, Sass, and component architecture. In the future, I plan to add additional pages such as a media page, as I have enjoyed being a podcast guest in the past and would love to continue doing that. Thank you for watching my portfolio showcase.